My name's Dave Wandin and I'm an elder of the Wurundjeri Tribal Land Council. We are at a special place within Wurundjeri history. We're here at what remains of Corranderk Mission Station, which we now call Corranderk Station. My responsibility is to educate all the people that I meet that there is not just one way to do modern agriculture. It is teaching Indigenous land management methods, which in actual fact was how my ancestors farmed this land prior to becoming a mission station. When we talk about biosecurity and what do I do to actually mitigate some of those threats, we do have our farmer. We work very, very closely together that of any perceived threats that we need to close down a paddock or close down a track or to deal with whatever the threats might be, whether it's rabbit control, fox control, deer control, weed control, that we make sure that there's good communication. And if I've got to stop a visitor program, well, sorry, that gets cancelled. The primary thing is the land first. Between me and the farmer, we do maintain dedicated walking tracks. We use minimal, absolutely minimal herbicide. We have a strong volunteer group, which is dealing with our weeds in the environmental areas, usually just by slashing. Again, very minimal spot spraying of emerging weeds such as hemlock and thistle. One of the things that I'm doing here as part of a weed eradication program is using the knowledge of Indigenous fire, which is actually quite beneficial to good pastures, but it's extremely beneficial in generating the seed bank, which I know still exists here, of the native grasses and the native trees. I make a difference to biosecurity by bringing the option of learning through me from my ancestors that using our ancient knowledge, first science, combined with the modern methods of farming, can actually make farming more productive, more healthy, therefore building resilience to the biosecurity threats. We will all need to walk country together to understand country before we can begin to heal country. Once we have healed country, we will find that we heal ourselves with people, and it will no longer be a burden to care for country. It will become a natural part of your daily life, wherever you live, work or play, to just look after country.